Good afternoon. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about our project management report for our project for the backpacks for the United States Army. Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our project management report for the backpacks for the United States Army. Within our project, we ran into a few issues, so I'm going to discuss those two issues today. First, being the refrigeration module. The refrigeration module is too big for the pouch as originally designed. Staff now need to review the backpack compartment and make arrangements to increase the size to fit the refrigeration module. The second is the radio module. The radio module subcontractor has shut down. Steps to prevent and to move forward, we now need to research other subcontractors to provide radio modules, do a price comparison between the subcontractors, and evaluate which subcontractor can provide the radio module at the lowest cost with the quickest return so we can remain on target. 4 areas affected by these two events are the budget, the human capital, the schedule, and the contracts. First, the budget. Due to these unforeseen expenses, it has increased the amount of material needed for the backpack. Attempt was made to make minimal changes to size of overall backpack to reduce the need for additional material. Possible increased spending on the radio module with the new subcontractor. Ways around that is to look for the best price with the soonest delivery to remain on time. Human capital. Staff innovation to increase the size of the refrigerator module pouch and continue to meet production requirements. We may need to increase the staff on the production of the backpacks. Impact to schedule. Schedule changes may occur due to having to redevelop the backpack refrigeration compartment. Redesign of the backpack takes additional time. Schedule changes due to having to find a new subcontractor for radio module. The subcontractor change affects the delivery date of radio modules. And last, the contract. Deadlines not met affect the contract and future contracts. So we need to make sure that we secure the deadlines are kept to keep positive relationships with the United States Army for future contracts and manage time to ensure products are produced and delivered on time. Even with these two issues, as long as we continue to maintain and keep track of what's happening and when, we can continue to move forward and finish our product line on time.